Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable keep lowered state in Hunt Showdown. And to do this, first let's click on the escape and move to our options. In the game you'll be able to find a setting called keep lowered state, and when it's on you will basically always keep your weapon down like I have right here, and you won't be able to see the crosshair as you usually do. And then you can zoom in like this, or remove the lowered state to the crosshair state by clicking on Q and holding it for a few seconds, and then you'll be able to aim your weapon with the shoulder. And now when we turn off that option, we should be able to use only the crosshair mode, except if you again hold the Q on your keyboard, you will enter the lower state mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.